What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. For today's video, I know I set up this will probably be the last video on the GST, but guess what, guys, it's not. So today what we're gonna be doing is working again on this DSM. Not as far as engine wise, I still do have a couple little things I have to finish here and there, but we're waiting on a new MAF that got ordered, so I need to get a new MAF and then just finish a couple other little things. Pedro did come and he drove the car. It drove really good. It's awesome. Have to remove all this little tape that I left on there, but today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the big brake upgrade on this 2G. So it's pretty much like a package that comes in. These are the CTS.V Brembo brake calipers, 2-piston. They originally come like a silverish color. My boy Angel, go follow him at 4G Sedan. As you guys know, he's our paint guy. You know, you guys seen him in a couple of videos. He's our paint guy. He'll come through, paint whatever you need, your house, your cabinets, whatever you want. But he went ahead and he hit these. So this is the color that Pedro wanted to go with. It's like a bluish. Looks pretty good. But yeah, the kit comes with everything. Brake lines, the big ass rotors. I think you have to purchase those separate. The brake pads, the bolts, some little spacer looking things. And we also actually have he ordered the Brembo stickers that we're going to be slapping on these. So you guys know what time it is. Let's lift up this whip. Get the old stuff out and the new stuff in. So let's get it, guys. Well, alrighty, guys, so first things first, check out the old rotor, check out the old caliper. So it's definitely gonna be a good upgrade. Also, they say you have to upgrade your brake booster to, I believe, a 3000 GT. I'm not positive on that, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw them on and then you know, bleed the brakes or whatever, and we'll see what it drives like to see, you know, if we gotta switch it or not. We might not, who knows, depending on how the car drives or whatever, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So first step, you know, I just gotta remove the brake line, and I gotta remove the caliper itself. It's just 217 mil, I believe, to remove the whole caliper. And then once you remove that, the whole rotor will come off, and then you get started on these. Right now I'm gonna just clean these off and just throw a sticker on. I would have liked to put the sticker and then hit the clear coat so the sticker just stays better, but oh well, they're done. Let's get it. Alrighty, so you loosen up the 217s that I said that were in the back. You loosen up this little 14 mil that's behind the brake caliper, which is for the brake line, and you know, just let everything come out. All this new stuff we're taking off. We got all brand new stuff, so brand new bolts, brand new washers, and the lines themselves. So we're gonna let that drip for a little bit, and then I already have the 2 bolts loosened up. Just gotta pull them off completely, and then the line, we're gonna take it off completely from up there because we have this new looking line and it looks good. So let me go ahead and pull this caliper completely off, and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alrighty, guys, so I have everything off from here. I was trying to take off the line, and it looks like this thing's really on there, and it's actually stripping, and I don't actually have the there's actually like this special looking wrench that has like the perfect I don't know, it's like cut in the edges right here, so it grips onto that pretty good, and that's just this regular tin is just stripping. So I might wait on those because I don't want to completely mess it up until I get some. It's not that difficult to change the lines anyway. It's just I don't want to strip them right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the stock one for now, and then we can switch these out, you know, later on when I have the right wrench or whatever. So I'm just gonna go ahead. First thing you do, you grab the little spacer it comes with, bam, slap it on there, and then you grab your big ass rotor And let me slap this guy on. See if I can find the holes. There we go. Slap this guy on. I'm gonna go ahead and put a nut so it doesn't move around. So right there already with the rotor on, holy smokes. Check out the old rotor. I just put them side by side. Old rotor, new rotor. It's a huge difference. So yeah, now what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna slap on the stickers real quick, and then I can go ahead and throw on the brake pads and all that stuff, and then I can bolt them up. Easy as that, guys. Alrighty guys, so I have all my I have my pads in with my new hardware, PAM in the back, like so. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slap on the sticker, and then we can bolt this bad boy in. What do you guys think? Alrighty guys, I threw on the stickers. Check it out. I'm not the perfect I'm not the best. I shake a lot when I'm doing things like this, like little things, but it looked pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap this one on. All I need is my bolts, and we're Gucci. Alrighty guys, you guys ready for this? Woo! Bam! Look at this bad boy. Damn. It looks really, really nice. Huge. I think it's humongous, but it looks so good. I'm digging it for sure. And then the best part, those wheels clear these Brambos, so no issues there. But man, she is looking good, boy. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the other side real quick, and then we'll throw on the wheels or whatever, so you guys can check it out. Alrighty guys, so same process on this side. Just take all that stuff off, and I'm just gonna go ahead and build the other caliper. You know, through the. So I was looking at the lines, and the lines don't look like they're gonna reach. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and go get one of those wrenches and take those lines off and replace them with the steel braided ones. It's just they're a little too short, so or get something better that will work instead of that. I even tried to use this, but it was just kept snapping off. So I'm just gonna go get the right tool. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and build this caliper and then slap it on. Same thing. Alrighty guys, got that side done. Got this side done, and she's ready to go. So that was pretty much it. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go hit up the store and find an actual, I don't know how to explain it, but it's like one of these, and it's like cut from the edges, so it kind of grips onto the line really good, and so it won't keep stripping, but we'll work on those later. For now, I put the bolt on and everything, so it just doesn't leak brake fluid everywhere. But man, it looks really nice. I do recommend this to anybody who's trying to do a big brake kit. It looks really nice. So check it out. Really digging it compared to stock. Big old difference. Like I said, the best part, these wheels clear them. So right now I'll slap on the wheels just so you guys can see what it looks like. I have to lower it anyway to put it completely in the garage. But really happy, really happy with the outcome. Let me put these wheels on and let you guys see what it looks like. Alrighty guys, well that is gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Just a little short video on the big brakes. I don't know if you guys can see it now, but it looks really good. She came out just looking awesome, and that's not the end of it. We're gonna keep going with this car. The wheels are a little dirty, but it looks really good. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you guys are not subscribed to me, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please go follow me at 4G63Addict, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.